Okay, this is a conversion van for handicap. This is a facility here in Miami that they convert all the vans for handicap. They gave us a call. They wanted, the guy, wants to be able to put the ramp up and down, but it doesn't do it. The only time it does it from a switch that it has right here in the corner, which I'll show you. But, he wants to be able to do it by remote control. I'm gonna go ahead and press this twice. From factory, it comes that the side door opens. That wasn't the issue. The issue is that he has to pull up with his chair and hit the deploy and then back off. It was kind of like a pain. He wanted to do it from the remote control, so we went ahead and came up with a system that wires into the actual motor of the ramp. I want to go ahead and hit unlock. This would be like if it was we use a car alarm to do it, but it takes other components to get it to work. Okay, the ramp is down. So, you'll have to get in here and hit this button and hold it until the ramp goes up. Just keep your finger on it the whole time. That's kind of like a pain to do. So it will be a lot easier once he's inside the van, that he can just press the lock. Or even when he gets out and he's already leaving to go inside the house, he can always hit lock, and that puts up the ramp, and then he can press this button here from factory, and I will close the door. So it took a little while to come up with the way it's going to work. I'm glad I stuck around at one point in the middle of this whole thing. After trying a bunch of different things, I almost called it quits. But then I don't like to quit on projects, so I'm glad I didn't. I'm gonna go ahead and put it down again. And then to go back up. I'm pretty pleased the way it came out. Came out fantastic. This was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists in this handicap conversion van. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. If you happen to have one of these vans and you want to have it by remote control and it didn't come with a remote control, and you have to do it from the switch, give us a call. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. We do have free mobile service, and we'll be able to come up to your workplace or your home to get this done for you. Thank you for watching this video.